New mechanical keyboard switch opener CNC aluminum alloy for Cherry Gateron Kailh. The new mechanical keyboard switch opener CNC aluminum alloy for Cherry Gateron Kailh Outemu 2 inches 1. Mix switches lubricate shaft opener is a must-have tool for anyone who wants to maintain their mechanical keyboard. It is made of CNC aluminum alloy, which is durable and long-lasting. The switch opener has two different heads, one for Cherry MX switches and one for Kailh, Gateron, and Outemu switches. This makes it the perfect tool for opening any type of mechanical keyboard switch. The switch opener is also very easy to use. Simply insert the appropriate head into the switch and then twist to open it. The switch opener is also very affordable, making it a great value for money. Here are some of the benefits of using the new mechanical keyboard switch opener CNC aluminum alloy. For Cherry Gateron Kailh Outemu 2 inches 1 MX switches lubricate shaft opener. It is made of durable CNC aluminum alloy. It has two different heads for Cherry MX switches and Kailh, Gateron, and Outemu switches. It is very easy to use. It is very affordable. If you are looking for a tool to help you maintain your mechanical keyboard, then the new mechanical keyboard switch opener CNC aluminum alloy for Cherry Gateron Kailh Outemu 2 inches 1 MX switches lubricate shaft opener is the perfect choice for you. It is durable, easy to use, and affordable.